Hey.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Alrighty.
Still just working away, huh?
Well, yeah, just puttering. I mean, at this point, I've already decided to quit, but then I decided, well, I'll do a couple, couple things while I'm thinking about it.
Did I hear you starting to try it? Run it?
No, I had the air compressor going.
Oh.
But I was debating on whether to try to run it or put it in the car. And then I thought about it, and I thought, I'd like to run it. And I don't like it on this thing here. I feel like it's too much weight to have hanging on that, especially if you're going to try to crank it. So I took it off and put it here. And I think what I'm going to do is, I got to put these rocker arms in, adjust the valves, and put the intake on it. And, then I've got to distribute. I need a coil and a rotor button for that, and I need a fuel pump to put in this hole so that oil won't blow out. Otherwise, I could use a Rusty Acres, Newton fuel pump, or whatever you called that, with the jug hanging there. But yeah, so I think that's what I'm going to do, is move that direction, and I might have to run and get a couple parts, but not today. It'll be for tomorrow.
Good.
What I'm thinking.
Good.
What are you thinking?
Well, nothing. I started working on that tote bag that I started down in Georgia.
Yeah?
And it's interesting. Daisy comes up, but she goes into her crate to take a nap now.
Ain't that interesting?
Yeah.
Well, that must be her safe place then.
Yeah.
That's kind of nice.
She says, well, it's comfortable in here.
That's kind of nice, really.
Yeah. Yeah. So we just came down and had a little longer to fold. And let them out.
Yeah. That's pretty awesome. I'm guessing it must be about 2-ish or something.
Yeah. 2:30. Yeah.
So
Pretty close.
in a little while, I'm going to knock off, and I'll come and we can relax for the rest of the day.
I heard them bark at one point, so I didn't know if you would come in or.
I did. My battery went dead, and I went in and got me another one, and there's all the barking. I did like to do.
Okay, doorbell rang. Doorbell barked.
Yeah.
All right.
So I think I just said I was going to do one thing, and I wound up doing something else. I got to looking at this and thinking about it. I'm sort of thinking, well, I could clean these rods up, put the rockers in there, loosely set the valves, and go ahead and crank it, just kind of hanging here. Not today, but maybe tomorrow. Run the parts store and get a couple things I need to get it going. I have an HEI distributor on its way from Johnny, it's a cool name, Johnny Mac? I think it's Johnny Mac is his name, something like that. But it's coming from Canada, that's where he lives. He's a YouTuber. He offered to send me one. And it's in the mail, but it ain't here, and I've found from shipping banjos up to Canada that a lot of times when something gets shipped to Canada, it may or may not get there in any kind of a timely manner. So far that distributor hadn't got here, but this old points distributor, I don't see why it wouldn't work. If I had a rotor cap, I've got a distributor cap, but I don't have a rotor button. My distributor cap is missing the little dwell window right here. Other than that, it looks pretty good. So I guess you're gonna go old school, you might as well go all the way, right? So that other distributor don't get here, I just put that one in. Pick me up a coil or find me one. I may have one out back. I need a little tiny piece of welding wire to punch out the hole in the end of these rocker arms with. Pretty sure I got some welding wire. This little tiny drill bit will do. See, there's a hole in that rocker arm. Oil comes up through that push rod, squirts out that hole and lubricates this thing right here. That hole right there needs to be open. Yeah, it does. How these work.